Rochelle here, Dreaming English, and next week is Thanksgiving. And so I actually work at a high school right here, which I'm going to show you. It's right behind me, this high school. And today we're going to be making 20 turkeys. Twenty-pound turkeys, so they're fairly big. So we can have a early Thanksgiving for the students and families. And today I'm going to walk around and see. There's some wild turkeys that live here, so let's see if we can catch some so we can possibly make 21 turkeys. I also work near this place behind me called the Ecotarium, and it's kind of a natural museum. It's not a zoo. They do have some animals there, but they're animals that can no longer live in the wild. Maybe they have an injured wing. It's a bird that has an injured wing. They used to have a polar bear, actually 2 polar bears, and our school mascot for the school I work at is actually the polar bear. But now I believe they just got some mountain lions there, so they're right over here. So I'm hoping that we'll be able to see the wild turkeys. They're usually around our parking lot. They live out back here in this forest here. Sometimes they even fly, and people have seen them in the trees. I can hear them right now. And I actually did see one fly, so I'm hoping to catch one fly and be able to show you these wild turkeys. Oh, look, the turkey's flying, look. Let's see how close we can get. Can we catch a turkey for Thanksgiving? Let me see. Wow, somebody told me that they flew. And now we know. Turkeys fly. What do you think? Will you guys fly again? There's a car coming. You better move. Not going to move anytime soon, huh? So as I said, we are in the process right now of cooking 20 turkeys. We'll be cooking these turkeys, and after they're done cooking, we're gonna cut them up, and we're first gonna let them sit for like 20 minutes, because that way we'll be able to use the juices to make gravy to put over them, so when they eat, they can put gravy over the turkey. As I said, next week is actually Thanksgiving, and it will be very busy. Actually, my son, right now I'm wearing the Leominster Marching Band jacket, and my son's in marching band, so we have one of the oldest football games on Thanksgiving of 2 high schools, Leominster versus Fitchburg, and my son's band will play. They're going to play the music of Queen during the football game.
The other thing that we do is we play football. Well, I don't, but there's a big football game, which is kind of a big thing, against the 2 towns, Leominster and Fitchburg. I live in Leominster, so obviously I cheer on Leominster. The colors are red for Fitchburg and blue for Leominster. Tomorrow they're going to have the football game at the Fitchburg studio, which I think is going to be really cool. There goes a car, but whatever. And
so it's very busy. After that, we'll go to my family's to eat some turkey, and we'll have all the fixings. We'll have stuffing and pea pods and carrots, and I'm going to make some pies and some bread. And don't forget the Macy's Day Parade that we'll watch, where we'll be able to see the first glimpse of Santa Claus.
Today I'm going to be telling you about Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is actually tomorrow, and we get to eat a lot of turkey and other food like corn and mashed potatoes and stuffing and cheesecake and other sweet stuff. That's one of the things we do on Thanksgiving. We have a big meal with all of our friends. We also have a big parade in New York. Well, I don't go there, but I watch it on TV, called the Macy's Day Parade, and they have big balloons and big floats and cool stuff like that. And there's a lot of music and singers, and it's really cool because they hold it every year, and you can watch it on television on Thanksgiving. So yeah, that's Thanksgiving. Hope you enjoyed and have a nice day wherever you are. Goodbye, friends of friends. Goodbye.
What kind of holiday traditions do you have? Write them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.